Okay, so my friend bought a flip phone and then he decided to leave today, and earlier today his package finally arrived. It took only 1 week from Asia to South Africa, which is quite amazing because normally my packages take like 3 months. So yeah, let's start with the unboxing. So much bubble wrap.
Not even in a box.
No, not even in a box. Okay. Hey, it comes with like a fake Apple charger, a USB cable, and the phone. Damn, this thing's huge. Can we compare it to your iPhone? Okay, so this is an iPhone 6S, I think,
6X.
and the normal size. So this thing's quite big. It is a flip phone. See if it turns on. Ah, it has power. Interesting. Imagine holding that against your ear. Okay, so has a charging port at the bottom. Headphone port. Has a headphone port.
Inside.
Thank goodness. And the instructions are in Korean. Oh, German. Cool. Shall I put it in German? Das Deutsch? Ein bisschen Deutsch oder ein bisschen English?
English.
Okay, let's put it in English. Insert SIM. Okay, we don't have a SIM. We also don't have Wi-Fi at the moment. No. Agree, I guess. Oh, it's about to die. Cool. I've got a charging bank over there. Oh, yes. Oh, the building we're in doesn't even have power at the moment. Lovely South Africa, I guess. We are GMT +2, I think.
Yeah, that's all. Ferrari, that's what we use.
Oh, cool. Look at the keyboard. Like, the keyboard's even in, like, Korean things.
He's gonna absolutely love that, hey?
It's got a button for the phone. Okay,
What's the other mode?
cancel, finish. Can I please get... Oh, okay. Now we're actually on a mode that we can use the phone. And the battery died. Okay, well, thanks for watching this semi-interesting video of a flip phone in 2018. This is the Samsung folder phone thing. It is absolutely huge. Like, can you imagine walking around with that? That's why people buy this thing. They literally buy it just to go like that. Oh, you can't even flip it open. Oh, you can, like that.
That's gonna break pretty soon.
That's gonna break, yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys.